Hello friends, and today we're going to do another tricky little shape. It's not super tricky and I think we will make it pretty fast. First thing first, it's 5 by 9 centimeters. Simple rectangle. C to make it central. Let's try to change dimension. Let's go here and make it just 40. A little bit differently. I need my thing here. I will move it over here, I think, and I will take the central point arch. 1, 2, 3. GV will put it on the here. Good. And now I will go here. Good. And now I will move it over here. I will select this and press Shift D to make the nice little profile and delete these things. Make this one first. Okay, press O, drop it here. Let's try to make it separately. Okay, I need it like, and I need these boys to be something like this. Just go into Extruded here, drop it into the central. Let's try to make box. Let's try to position it something like this. Yeah, and let's just see, cut, boom, that's good. And central thing. I hope you getting the much better shape than me. We will make it just a little bit narrower over here to make it much more beautiful. This, just do something like that. Alt X to this side, Q to merge it, to delete redundant topology, F redundant topology. We are going to do a Shift D. We are going to drop a rebuild on it. Rebuild. Make it as much points as you wish. The more points, the better result. Let's do a pipe. Pipe. Yeah, we need small one. And now let's do a Boolean. Let's Shift X it. Control R. Drop it like this. And drop it like this. Just select this one. Select it like this. Control R. Let's just Alt X it to the other side, and now I can just simply loft them. Perfect. Loft, loft, loft. Just a simple G1. Let's drop the loft here too. Yeah, try to make them a little bit on the same axis, but if you will do it like me, doesn't matter, it will work too. Oh, be careful with this. Let's just take it and let's join it together. It's much more cleaner. Yeah, you can definitely see it. It's kind of like wanky a little bit, and here it's just the same. Yeah, it's a little bit narrower here, but it has the shape, the similar one. Let's do Alt X, do it on the other side, Q, and let's make the same thing over here. Good, but be careful. If you bevel it, you can delete it. If you do it like this, you won't be able to just select it and reduce it. Okay, let's do this thing. So basically we just need a curve and array these things. I just can do a Shift D. Okay, I can do offset, drop it somewhere here. I think let's just Shift D this thing, make it bigger. And yeah, so one should cut this thing, second should cut the other thing. Let's try to do it like this. Move it lower. And let's do the same thing, but over here. Yeah, we definitely need to have some space because it won't work. Let's do it a different way. Drop it like this. Drop it like... okay, not a big deal. And yeah, here we go. Good. Like this. Let's just join it. Move it here. Yeah, that's good. And let's move it a little bit here. Do this Boolean objects here. Position these guys a little bit over here so I can see them better. We just need it a little bit on the bottom here. Let's try to scale them just a little bit. Make them like this. And let me just drop this thing here and drop this thing somewhere here. Let's try it like this. Let me give a second here. Good. And good. Do a QQ. For some reason it was unmatched. Yep, good. F. Curve array. Selected. Parallel. 5. I think this one is the one that we don't need. And the last one should be here. Yeah, I think this is much better. And move it a little bit here. Pattern that we are looking for. And let's just make them a little bit smaller to make ourselves just a little bit happier. Okay, like this. Definitely should be on the same level here. Okay, a little bit less over here and over here. Yeah, and maybe over here, and this is over here. Yeah, good. This is much better. Just select all of this and move it by Y over here. And yeah, let's do the same. Like this, Q, boom. Select all inner parts of these things. Okay, and let's just bevel it like this. And yeah, can I just do this thing? Yeah, I don't want to do all of them manually, so I will just F fillet. Let's try it. Just 1.3. That's good. Here is that shape. Here we have it. Here you have it. And let's drop some word here. Let's take this thing. Let's do a shift space to place the construction plane right over here. F, text, west. And I want my beautiful space mono. And let's just drop it like this, make it a little bit smaller. Shift I and imprint it here. Good. As always, Control G text, hide it. And let's just select inner letters and inset them. Okay, here you go. Here's your nice beauty shape. I hope you've made it much better. As always, stay cool, create nice little shapes, be healthy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.